What's happening, everybody? Welcome to the Royal Kennels YouTube channel. So y'all check it. We in the Walmart parking lot. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. And look, y'all, we got a major surprise, a major movement for y'all. We about to go in here and get me some rubber boots. High dog breeder don't have rubber boots.
Exactly.
What you say, dude? So. What you say, dog? Alright, y'all, so I'm fixing to run in here. We at Walmart. About to run in here and get these boots, and we gonna get at it. Wait till y'all see what it is. Y'all gonna love it. Y'all, all these boots. No 10.
Right on time.
Well, we ain't gonna put you on camera. we YouTubers.
Oh, okay.
So we shooting a video. Jolene was gonna make me get these, y'all.
I mean, we gotta do what we gotta do.
So she saved the day.
Thank you,
but
ma'am.
we ain't put on camera.
So many things in this world that you get caught up on. Just thinking back to my past that I was caught up on.
Breakfast. Royal Kennels style.
Yo.
It's been a long time coming, y'all.
Now I get
We got out of bed at 6 o'clock this morning. We couldn't wait to get out here and get this done. I can't wait to take y'all on the journey with us.
All right, y'all.
Sometimes I sit up and I'm thinking not knowing what to do, not knowing which way to turn, don't even have a clue.
5 acres, y'all. We fixing to knock it down. Brother Joe. Huh? Situation that I've been faced with regrets, no doubt. When I think about it, there's only one person that got me out. Man, judge, tell me, all my people speak blessings is gonna come to exist. I can't remember being on the corner, his slang in my stone. In my zone, I was too far gone, and it really didn't matter. Freaking gorilla mosquito just was on. Young man on the track.
So many things in this world that you get caught up on. Just thinking back to my roots that I was caught up on.
It's a big old bonfire right there.
It is. But the fire department. Okay, so now we rolling. This is actually a different tractor. The big tractor with the 15-foot bush hog. It wasn't going in drive. So another guy came through with one of their other tractors, and now they're trying to get as much done as they can. The company that we got, they actually could not complete the job. So what I did, I let them cut what they can, and then I'll call for reinforcement. All right, so look, man, y'all seen, we had the bush hog with a 15-foot blade come through, and it couldn't get the job done. It was a little too thick, so I had to call for reinforcement, man. It's about to get real.
And I'm where I'm supposed to be. So many things in this world that you get caught up on. Just thinking back to my past when I was caught up on. It lets me know.
Bro, look at this thing, y'all. Can you imagine, bro? We're gonna look underneath it. God, look at them big old blades. Wait till y'all see this thing run. GTR Unlimited. Calm like still waters, then he can make my soul whole, give me the knowledge cause he taught us. Now everything is so easy, life seems so crazy, hoping one day at the end of my stay that he sees me. I'm running a good
searched out like a cell phone that's churched out. Can't complain about nothing, I'm glad this all worked out. I could've never done it without him, so I'm giving him big ups. You can always count on his word when life might get too tough. No more prison bars, crazy wise man, it ain't no holding me. Been breaking or folding me, I'm where I'm supposed to be. So many things in this world that you get caught up on. Just thinking back to my past that I was brought up on. It lets me know that this hands is formed over me, got me in the direction that I'm supposed to be. So many things in this world that you get caught up on. Just thinking back to my roots that I was brought up on. It lets me know that this hands is formed over me, got me in the direction that I'm supposed to be. So many things in this world that you get caught up on. Just thinking back to my past that I was brought up on. It lets me know that this hands is formed over me, got me in the direction that I'm supposed to be. So many things in this world that you get caught up on. Just thinking back to my roots that I was brought up on. It lets me know that this hands is formed over me. My highly favorite round page. I'm just gonna go off on this one for God. I'ma rip it up from the flip like I lost on the scratch off ticket. I'ma let you know he do exist. Ain't gonna lie just to kick it. I'm about to pass on the truth so I can continue his legacy. If I can give birth to green babies, then Christ can go ahead and impregnate me. You don't really wanna play with me, I'm on fire for my daddy. It was all good in your hood when I sold your goods and you thought that you had me. But I kept reaching out and I finally caught a hold to that rope. He kept me swimming when I was drowning, gave me a breath when I choked. He took his time with me to mold me. Your prisons couldn't even hold me. Trapping on your block non-stop.
Yo, that's a 6-inch round
but
tree,
now I'm
yo.
so brand new and it's something that you ain't
Just
cool with.
mulched
That was
it.
old school 92. You're still down with that foolish. Better wake up and smell the coffee before that aroma be gone. But to be like Mary and find her lamb and follow me home. When I finish my race, I wanna hear him say I ran it so well. Since faith is blind, I guess I'ma have to read this in braille. Lyrics so catastrophic, it have the strength to move mountains. I'm knocking off my naysayers, all my haters and doubters. I don't play no kiddie games, I stand too firm, I'm full grown. My king's the king of all kings, knocking the throne off his throne. Don't get it twisted because I'm humble.
Yo,
I wasn't always
real
so
talk.
good. I'm trying to bring love from my church house.
It's satisfying watching them do it, bro. So crazy, yo.
But my God is so
So
high
crazy.
power, he'll make you lay down your weapon. I'm still hooded up like Trayvon, still getting
We had
my
to call
weight
for
on.
reinforcements, man. That's some serious reinforcement, y'all. GTR came through. Make sure y'all follow him on Facebook. This is my brother. He's just starting his business in this area, y'all. He's been good time rentals in the water slides. He's been running the water slides for a few years. Always my go-to for sure. And he was my go-to again, man. I hit him up, y'all. He drove 2 hours to make it happen. It's crazy, man. Support your family's business, bro. Support your family's business and don't ask for a discount. I guarantee you, you always gonna get your money's worth in the end, because when they come through and do the job, they're gonna do it right the first time. Yeah, it seems like, you know, yeah, your friends, your family, we always want people to do things for us, but the quality of job you get is where your friendship and family matters. They always gonna do what it takes to give you the best quality job, and they're gonna travel as far as they need to travel, man. This is fun watching.
You gon' get left behind just like you missed the school bus. Chasing nothing that cool stuff that the devil plot to fool us. But I can't fall for that. Keep on pushing, never stopping, son. Great position, more miracles than Smokey Robinson. Gotta be strong, gotta have faith, gotta be patient, so you gotta wait. He created time, so he's on time, and he ain't never late. He died for you, died for me, so we can have life more abundantly. Always stretch my hands to deep and reap all that he had for me. That's my Hall of Fame round page.
Look at the end of the property, y'all. Yo, that's the guy's house in the back. Watch this. Y'all, I was thinking that it came to here, but actually it's here. Bam. Crazy, guys. Titan, baby. So the Titan had to come to the rescue for this Ford truck owner. We're gonna pull this bad boy out, y'all. It got stuck. It's a little soft right here. See how that turns out. By any means necessary. Hey. Time to take a break. Hydraulic and transmission fluid is burning a lot. Got to clean up everything. Clean up the diamond mower. The baddest grass cutting thing I've ever seen in my life. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna be able to shake off the rest. Now look, I would say a year and a half ago, I went by my brother Tone in New Jersey. Look what he gave me. He gave me this. My first time using it, I actually used it to clean the big stuff before I started getting the rest. But I used it, man. I appreciate you, brother. That thing is a beast. Look, a friend of mine, well, he's more of like a brother. He cut his hand with it, just playing with it. He cut his hand with it, but I ain't never used it. All right, we all cleaned up, and he's back at it. Man, a diamond mower, y'all. So the actual machine is a skid steer. I know a lot of y'all know that, but some don't. It's a skid steer, y'all, and that diamond motor is an attachment for the skid steer. Crazy. I don't know what else could have done it, actually.
They said I wouldn't make it, but I'm here. I saw the light flicking in the tunnel, mind's clear. Whoever said God couldn't take me to the top.
Now I'm pressing on full speed, non-stop.
I'll always give you the best of me. I'll never give you what's less of me. You're my redeemer, my fire, my sword and shield. In the valley of the shadow, I will have no fear, because it's you that strengthens me. I'm still here because I was meant to be. You show me favor and you saved me too. Because of you, I made it through.
I got that pedal to the metal, ain't no stopping me now. I'm like a tiger out his cage, ain't no locking me down. I'm not concerned at what you say, man, I keep brushing you off. Because I'm humble back in the days, man, I be breaking you off. When I was a child, I thought as a child and I act as a child. But now I'm a man, I put it all behind me, I don't act so wild. The life I live, it ain't for me, I'm just passing through. Forgave my sins because I asked, you need to ask him too. Ain't it ironic? One day you could be on top of your game, and the next day you bottom out cause you can't cope with the change. At your weakest point in life, that's the time you should seek him. And when he bring you back on top, that's the time you should keep him. Overcoming adversities, it made me stronger and wiser. My willpower, it keep me burning like a